So a few years ago, I was riding a roller coaster that had a camera on it. And when I went back and looked at the footage, my hair blew back. And I was like, wow, look at that receding hairline. And that's when I knew that I was losing hair. Heard about the procedure from other guys, and they said Dr. McCracken does a great job and that I should see him. So I did the initial visit. He looked over my hair and we talked about it, and I thought it would be a great decision. The reason why I did this is because I think it's going to help me with my morale and my self-esteem. From what I've seen from other guys, it works really well, and I am excited to look young again. So this is about 30 hours after the surgery. I have zero pain, which is awesome. You can see where they put the transplants in here on the top of my head. They did a really good job. It only took about 6 hours, and I had a lunch break in between, which was nice. I did a follow-up with Dr. McCracken, and he said everything was looking great and that I should see some great results in about 8 to 12 months. I'm excited to see it.